Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to create a new integration services project. I've got Visual Studio opened. I'm going to click on the link to create a new project. Visual Studio has a variety of templates that you can use to create new projects depending on the type of project you want to create. If you've recently used a template, they will be listed on the left hand side here on the recent project templates. You can also search for templates based on the type of project you want to create. In the search bar, I typed in integration and a list of templates that matches the search criteria has been displayed. So I'm going to click on the first one, which is the integration services project. So I make sure that's highlighted, and then I'll click on the next button. On the configure your new project page, you have a default name for the project. I've replaced the default project name. I've called it SSIS for beginners. This is the location where the project is going to be stored. I'm going to click on the create button on the bottom right hand corner here. When you create a new integration services project, by default an empty package which is called package.dtsx is created and added to your project. I'm going to rename the default package, so I'll right click on it and there is an option to rename, so I click on the rename option. I have renamed the default package to my package 1. I've given it a number 1 just in case I create multiple packages. In this video, I created a new integration services project. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.